Here's an idea. Let's look at the energy transition differently. Not label it as a sea of trouble, but see the ocean of solutions. Yes, it's big. Too big for one to solve alone. So, let's do it together. Let's collaborate on new concepts for a renewable world. Charge battery production with the power of thought. Put the brightest minds on solar parks. And power wind turbines with brainstorms. Let's not make nature and technology fight. Let them join forces, just like you and us. That's what green energy takes. Not one solution, but many smart ones coming together. Wherever your ideas take you, let's go for smart partnerships. Wago.